Levels of organization, cellular to tissue to organ system. Symmetry, asymmetrical, sponges, radial, cnidarians, bilateral, worms, arthropods. Germ layers, diploblastic 2 layers, ecto and endo. Triploblastic 3 layers, ecto, meso, endo. Coelom, a coelomate, no cavity, example, platyhelminthes. Pseudocoelomate, false cavity, example, Nematoda. Coelomate, true cavity, example, Annelida to Chordata. Phyla summary: Porifera, sponges, pores, ostia and osculum, canal system, spicules, skeleton, examples, Cycon, Euspongia, Cnidaria, Coelenterata, radial symmetry, cnidoblasts, stinging cells, 2 forms, polyp, sessile, medusa, free swimming, examples, Hydra, polyp, jellyfish, medusa, platyhelminthes, flatworms, acoelomate, flattened body, parasitic, example, Tania, example, planaria, free-living, liver fluke, Nematoda, roundworms, pseudocoelomate, cylindrical body, example, Ascaris, intestinal parasite. Annelida, segmented worms, true coelom, metameric segmentation, example, earthworm, leech. Arthropoda, largest phylum, jointed legs, chitinous exoskeleton. Classes insecta, 6 legs, example, cockroach. Arachnida, 8 legs, example, spider. Crustacea, aquatic, example, prawn. Mollusca, soft-bodied, mantle, shell, muscular foot, example, snail, octopus, Phyla, echinodermata. Spiny skin, water vascular system, radial symmetry, adults, example, starfish, sea urchin, chordata, notochord present. Subphyla, urochordata, notochord in tail, example, Ascidia. Cephalochordata, notochord entire length, example, Amphioxus. Vertebrata, notochord replaced by vertebrae. Vertebrata, key classes, Pisces, fishes, gills, scales, 2-chambered heart, types cartilaginous, example, shark, bony, example, rohu. Amphibia, dual life, water plus land, 3-chambered heart, moist skin, example, frog, salamander. Reptilia, dry, scaly skin, 3-chambered heart, except crocodile, 4. Example, snake, lizard. Aves, or birds, have feathers, hollow bones, and a 4-chambered heart. Examples include the pigeon and the peacock. Mammalia, on the other hand, are characterized by mammary glands and hair, and they also have a 4-chambered heart. Types of mammals include the platypus, which lays eggs, the kangaroo, a marsupial, and humans, who are placental mammals. Important exceptions. Starfish, echinoderm but shows radial symmetry, not bilateral. Crocodile, reptile but has a 4-chambered heart. Whale, mammal, not fish. Quick mnemonics: Porifera, pores, sponges. Cnidaria, cnido, stinging cells. Annelida, annulus, rings, segmented. Arthropoda, arthro plus poda, jointed legs. This short summary covers high-yield points for Neet. Revise it with diagrams, for example, earthworm, frog, for better retention. Want even shorter? Focus on some phylum names plus examples, symmetry, coelom, heart chambers, exceptions,